Welcome to a new tutorial of 3D modeling using Tekla Structures 2025. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add the columns of the mezzanine floor, the primary beams, secondary beams, joists, and struts. First, go Ctrl P to go to the plan view, go to Steel, Column. In the Properties dialog box, we have to put the name. Here, you have to put mezzanine column, the name, MZC. We'll make it MZC. Press the three dots to change the profile to HEA 300. HEA 300. Yes, this one. Click OK. Here you have to change the method. This one. Apply OK. And for the color, you can pick, for example, this one. Change the part numbering to MZC. And here also MZC. Adjust the top elevation to be at 5000. Go here and start adding your columns. Look the point. After adding the column, you need to adjust the orientation by rotating the column 90 degrees. So pick the column from the properties dialog box. Go here to the position, and instead of top, make it front. Modify. Yes. Press Ctrl P to see the location of the column. Yes. Ctrl P again. Then make sure your work plan is parallel to the view. Go to View, Work Plan, Parallel to View, Apply Point. Then go to Edit, Copy Special, Linear. Pick the column, it's already selected, and pick the distance from here, from this end to this end, and I need to adjust the copies to 6. Okay. Now the columns of the mezzanine floor has been copied to the grid lines. To draw the primary beam of the mezzanine floor, go to View, View List, go to the plan 5000, make it active. Okay. Then go to Steel, Beam. From the Properties dialog box, you have to put the name as primary beam. Primary beam. Then press the three dots to change the section to IBE 400. Okay. Adjust the material to BS 275. Change the color to be this, for example. Then adjust the part numbering as primary beam, and this will be primary beam. Then start drawing by picking the first point from here to this point. Press Ctrl P. You will find your primary beam is here. Control P again, take copy, select, edit, copy special, linear, pick from this point to this point, adjust the number of copies to 6, copy, okay, Control P, after adding the primary beam, you can see that there is an intersected part here with the column. So to get rid of this part, go to Edit, Fit Part End, select the object, then select 2 points where you want to cut the object. This is the first point, this is second point, and it is cut. Same for the other columns. Select, pick this point, and it's cut. Press Ctrl P to see how it looks like. As you can see, the primary beams has been drawn. Ctrl P again. To draw the joist between the primary beams, select the first one and divide it by going to Edit, Points, Online, put the number as 4. Okay, select the first point on the beam from this one to this point. As you can see, 4 points have been added on the primary beam. These points will help us to draw the joist or the secondary beams. Take copy of these points to the other beam. Copy special linear from this point to this point and one copy. Yes, okay. Go to steel beam. Change the name to joist beam. Joist beam. Press the 3 dots here to select the profile. IBE 300. Adjust the material to BS 275 and change the color so I can distinguish between other members. This one here, put it at just joist beam, and for assembly numbering joist beam. And make sure that your work plan is parallel to view. So come here, pick the first point, second point to this point, joist beams has been drawn. You can take a copy from this joist beams to the other grid lines as follows. Select all of them, edit, copy special, linear, pick from this point to this point, and put the number as 5. Copy. Control P. To get rid of these points, just go to View, Redraw. To draw strut, go to Steel, Beam, change the name to strut, change the section to IBE 330, IBE 330, okay. The material is already adjusted and change the color to this one. Adjust the part numbering as strut, and here strut. Go here and start drawing. From here, this point, take a copy from this one, edit, copy special, linear, pick from this point to this point, and the number is 6, number of copies. Okay. Control P. To copy the drawn struts to the other side of the steel warehouse, first you have to create a selection filter. Go here, press this button, select a new filter, add row. For category, pick part. For the property, pick profile. And for the value, select from model. Select the strut and save it as strut filter. Save as, apply, OK. Then select the whole model. Only the strut members will be selected. Go to edit, copy special, mirror. Pick this point. Pick this point to this point, copy, OK. Now the struts has been copied to the other side. Press Ctrl P, Ctrl P again. You will connect these columns with the same section of strut. Beam, already here in strut. Pick. Select this one. Go to edit, copy special, linear, here, pick point, from this point to this point. Put the numbers of copies as 5. Copy. OK. Ctrl P. If you like the video, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.